Alright guys, so I'm back at my mom and dad's house, and as you can see we're going to wash this truck off. The three things that I use: chemical guys, honeydew soap. This stuff is extremely thick and very sticky. And then for the winter, Salt Away. I got this on eBay. And then I take the two and I mix them together in the foam cannon and spray it all on, let it soak in for 5 or 10 minutes, pressure wash it off. It's certainly not as good as washing it by hand, but the back of this salt spreader is filthy and it's going to get most of the salt off that we can, so let's do it. Go to the other side. So we'll let that soak in there for 5 minutes. So the thickness of the foam is controlled by the dial, the water dial. You can make the foam thicker or thinner just by the amount of water going into the mixer. So the best scenario here would be to take a hand wash mitt and just rub it in. That's what I usually do, but it's the winter. It's gonna get filthy again. It's good enough, better than it was, as I like to say. So let's take a look at the 550. My dad pressure washed this thing off 2 days ago when it was 45, 50 degrees on Tuesday. This truck was, I don't talk a lot about this truck because I don't ever have it with me. My dad drives it in the winter. This truck was undercoated by Line-X as well 3 years ago. Being that it's a dump truck, the undercoating is starting to come off. I mean, your rust here is just from your rub points, but if you look under your bed, you guys tell me to have a truck in its 4th winter, 3-year-old truck, 4th winter. I don't think it's going to be as rust free as this. And like I said, I really try to take care of my stuff. I mean, the back of this truck looks pretty good. It's rusty now, but last winter I had even repainted the bed before the winter, but this year it was December 9th we were cleaning up leaves with this truck. December 10th we were plowing snow, so there was no time to paint the bed. But I don't know, so far so good. This truck, unlocked, this truck has 33,000 miles. It's 3 years, 2 months old. Not one single problem. And it gets used hard all the time. All right, I'll do one more video here after I have this thing pressure washed off.